If you are running LinkedIn ads or planning to, this video will be very helpful for you because in today's tutorial, I will show how to implement LinkedIn server-side tracking on your e-commerce store using Google Tag Manager. So before configuring GTM, we need to collect the access token. For this, I need to navigate to my LinkedIn ads account. So this is my LinkedIn ads account, and here on the left side you can see navigational panel. Here you need to expand this measure, and there you will find signals manager. So click this, and here you will find so many options. I need to, or you need to select this direct API, and you will find this generate access token. So click this and you will see an access token is generated. So copy this and simply navigate to your GTM server container, and here click variables and new. I need to find constant variable because want to store that access token here. So I simply paste it and give this variables a name like LinkedIn access token, and now save. Okay, so now I need to create triggers. So the triggers is, we need to find custom event, and here give the triggers name like purchase, and give this triggers a name like purchase. Okay, now simply save it. Okay, so now I need to navigate to my LinkedIn ads account, and here I need to create events or goals. For this, again you need to expand measure, and here conversion tracking, and here you can see an option create conversion. So simply click here and you will find three options: inside tag conversion, conversion API, and CSV conversion. So I am configuring server side tracking, that's why I will choose conversion API, and here I need to give conversion name. So purchase is my conversion name, and here I need to select category. So the category will be purchase, and here use a dynamic value. That's okay for me, and now simply click next. Okay, so here I need to choose direct API, and then next step, and now create. And you can see there is a event created purchase, and the status is awaiting activity. Okay, so now I need to configure the tags. So you need to click tags, and here new, and tag configuration, and you need to find LinkedIn conversion API tags. First, you won't find this tag here. For in that case, in your case, you need to came here discover more tag types in the community tag template gallery. So if you click here and you need to search that LinkedIn conversion API, then you will find the tag template. So you need to simply add that tag template to your workspace. That's it. So I basically add this in my workspace. That's why it is available here. So you need to choose this tag template, and you need to select this conversion, not page view, and you need to put that access token. So simply this is my LinkedIn access token that I created little while ago, and now I need conversion ID. So for this I need to navigate to my LinkedIn ads account, and here I need to open my event. So this is my purchase event, and here in this URL you will see conversion, and after that here is a ID. So this is basically conversion ID. So I need to copy this and paste it here. That's it. And here you need to click update or cancel. That's it. Okay, and in my tag manager here I need to select the trigger. So the trigger is purchase. Okay. And I need to give my tag name like LinkedIn conversion API purchase. And now save. Okay, so the server side implementation is done, but this is not the only setup you need to do in implementing LinkedIn server side tracking, because in client side container you need to do some implementation. That is, I navigating my client side container, and here you will find tags. So basically you need to do some implementation, which is this Google tag. Here you need to add your server container URL. That's it. And your GA4 purchase tag, you need to add your necessary information like items, array, currency value, transaction ID, event ID. In this case you don't need, because you are only configuring LinkedIn server side tracking. If you configure both server and browser, in that case you need event ID. Okay, so you can skip this one, but the other parameters, email, phone number, each and every information which is important and available in your form field, you need to include here. So basically this information will send to the server, and the LinkedIn conversion API tag will collect all this information. So these two things you need to do in your GTM client side container, and that's it. And now I will test my setup whether it is working perfectly or not. For this I need to preview my server container and browser container as well. So this is my server container preview, and let me preview my browser side container. Okay, so let me purchase a product. Really, it will confirm us that our tracking setup is working or not. So I need to add to cart this product, and now proceed to checkout, and now place order. Okay, so this is my server preview, and here you can see purchase event is firing, and here you can see LinkedIn conversion API tag that we created is firing, and the firing status is succeed, and you see fired, and here you can see all the information which receiving this text. Here you can see hash email, and here you can see that items array, first name, last name, currency, amount, each and everything this tag is receiving. And if I check it in ads account, here you can see the status is awaiting activities. But if I reload this page, you will see now it is active. So it confirms that this implementation is working perfectly.